flame represents the endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. It also symbolizes power, strength.
Gurupura Samvajaya Namukti. Things from the Sonyipe. Local Tene Nimon. Zinam Yoshinankione. Lopti Chidonta. Zinipi Shida Shakte. Zinitinda Dishida. Chibeto. Nyamshu Chaju.
We say that we will take part in the STS Gurupura 32nd Annual Athletic Meet, respecting the regulations which govern them, and with a desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school, for the glory of sport.
지금 이동 이사순로 시리 레공기 고진나웨 노골 부익 소미 렌돌 탱 주베나 레게 자가토 베도르기 유 아동중이 들어가는 제 자가데 꿀도 초네 나로스네 부기슈유 로프로레라 부익 소미 렌돌기 자가 고무치도 시기하는 마 시리 레공기 나운도 스르 주베 검녀와 텐데 파노 라 대장가레 검녀와 텐데 토모라 야 베로나
Now we have two cash prize winners from the 6th Annual Tibetan Essay Writing Competition organized by Department of Education in the year 2022. I request the chief guest to kindly come forward to give the prize money. Now, all the students will march out to their respective house tents.
The sun salutation is the ancient technique of paying respect and expressing gratitude to the sun, which are the sources of life. The sun salutation has several health benefits, some of which include improved flexibility. It helps to improve the body flexibility by stretching the muscles and joints. This can help to improve range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Increase strength. It can help strengthen the muscles, especially the core muscles. This can improve posture and balance. Improve balance and coordination. It helps to improve balance and coordination by preparing the body to move in a variety of ways. This can help to reduce the risk of falls. Boost energy levels. It can help to boost energy levels by increasing blood circulation and oxygen flow to the body. This can help to reduce fatigue, improve overall stamina. Reduce stress and anxiety. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety by the calming mind and the body. This can be beneficial for people who suffer from stress-related conditions such as high blood pressure and headache. Improve digestion. It can help to improve digestion by stimulating the abdominal organ. This can help to reduce constipation and bloating. Improve digestive tract and supply of oxygen to the body, which can cure heart-related ailments. One can begin to practicing sun salutation 3 to 4 times a day, gradually increasing the number to gain ease and benefit of this yogic practice. A second position is Tara Asana. This asana, also known as the mountain pose. Regular practice of this asana improves body posture, strengthens the spine, improves balance and increase height. The next asana is Padahasta Asana. This asana, also called hand-to-foot posture, is a lower band yoga pose. Regular practice of this asana improves digestion, relieves back pain, improves concentration, and improves circulation. Next asana is Trikona Asana. This asana is also called triangle posture. This pose improves balance and flexibility. Frequent practice of this asana makes the spine flexible, elevate your shoulder, and can relieve back stiffness in neck areas. Next, we have sitting postures. Next, Yoga Mudra Asana. Sometimes be a little difficult for beginners, but when practiced frequently, it can give great flexibility to the back and hips. This posture also improves the general energy level of a person. Next, you have Brahmachari Asana. The cat stretch posture is popular because it relaxes mind, strengthens the wrist and shoulders. This pose also massages the digestive organs and improves the digestion. Next, we have Ushtra Asana, also known as the camel posture. Regular practice of this asana improves flexibility, strengthens the body and the digestive tract. Next, we have Shashanka Asana, also known as the rapid pose or moving pose. It's a forward bend yoga pose that is said to have a calming and cooling effect on the body and mind. It is a relatively simple pose that can be performed by people of all fitness levels. Shashanka Asana has several health benefits, some of which include improved flexibility of the spine, strengthening the arm and shoulder, improved digestion, reduce back pain, and improve circulation. Next, we have Makra Asana, also known as the crocodile posture. It is a great pose for relaxation and for those suffering from back and shoulder problem can gain great benefit from regular practice of this pose. Next, we have Bhujanga Asana, also known as the Cobra posture. This pose is one of the best poses. Is tone abdominal muscle and vaulted the belly. Frequent practice will also have blood circulation, ensuring that your body cell gets enough nutrients and oxygen. Next, we have Dhanur Asana. The bow pose posture is an effective weight loss program. Practicing this pose improves digestion. Bow pose is also fantastic stretch for the spine and strengthen the thighs, ankles, chest, abdominal organ and spinal cord. Next, we have Pawan Mukta Asana, also known as wings-relieving posture. It may be beneficial in increasing the muscular contraction of the digestive tract, which moves the food ahead, thus removing gas and helping prevent constipation. Now we have last posture, which is Shavasana posture. It's a yoga posture that is also known as the crab posture. It is a resting pose that is typically practiced at the end of yoga session. In Shavasana, the practitioner lies on their back with their eyes closed and their limbs extended. The goal of Shavasana is to relax the body and mind. There are many benefits to practice Shavasana, including reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, reduce pain, improve focus and concentration, promote overall health and well-being.
YouTube yana mı da takır ya hatta bilmiyorum hiç. Hatta genç ama